Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what you're working with, wired or wireless, model specifics, and the device you'll use. Check the connector and cable immediately, bend gently and look for frays, then blow compressed air into the jack. Once done, make sure the system and app volumes are set high enough, and that no hardware mute or inline volume wheel is limiting output. This catches the most common causes quickly, so you can move into targeted fixes without wasting time. Now dive into the system. Select the correct output device and check balance, audio enhancements, and sample rate. Wrong settings can lower perceived loudness. Update drivers on PC or firmware on your headphones and phone because software glitches often limit volume. If wireless, repair the Bluetooth connection and clear cache where possible. To isolate hardware, test the headphones with another phone or a simple external amp and swap cables. This tells you whether the problem is the source, the cable, or the cups themselves. Finish by safely increasing the signal. Use a dedicated headphone amp or inline DAC and apply software gain only gradually to avoid clipping. Replace worn earpads or reseat drivers. Improving the ear seal often raises volume by 6 to 12 decibels. If the headphones have high impedance, use a proper amp. Conversely, low impedance sources may need attenuators. If none of this works, consider professional repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.